Hello dear children. Last class we have seen about the algebraic identities related to squares. So today we'll be learning about the algebraic identities related to cubes. We have got just two identities to learn and this is quite new for you. You have not learned this cube identities in the previous classes and all. Now just see the identities. The identities are x plus y the whole cube. So this is cube identity. X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This x plus y is put within bracket. Now if you open this bracket, what you will get it as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So what is identity x plus y the whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now coming to the next identity, x minus y the whole cube. So x minus y the whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Or when you open up the bracket, you will get it as x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus 3x y square. So here only the first term is positive, all the other terms are negative. So only difference between these two identities. For x plus y and x minus y, the only difference is in the first one all are positive, in the second identity only the first term is positive, the remaining all are negative. Now based on this identity, let us try to expand using this identity. Let us take an example, say 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So looking at this 2x plus 1, what is our x value here? 2x. And what is our y? 1. So this will be equal to, what is identity? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Or you can write this expanded form also you can use. So this will be equal to x cube means 2x the whole cube plus our y is 1. So 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. Now what is 2x the whole cube? 2 cube is 8. 8x cube. So this is 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into x, 6x into 2x plus 1. Again you can open the bracket. You will get 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x into 2x will be 12x square plus 6x into 1 is 6x. Now rearranging this in the decreasing order of degree, we can write this as 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this is the expanded form for 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Now suppose it was 2x minus 1 the whole cube, almost the answer would be the same except for a negative sign. Only the first term will be positive, all the others would be negative terms. So have you understood how to expand using the given identity for cubes? Now sometimes you may get a question for evaluating. We have done for squares, you remember evaluating using the identity. We'll do one such example. Suppose you are given a question like this, 102 the whole cube. To evaluate this, evaluate means finding the value. So this can be written as 100 plus 2 the whole cube. So this will be of which form? X plus y the whole cube. So now let us expand it. This will be 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 the whole into 100 plus 2. Now this will be 100 cube, 1 followed by 6 zeros plus 8 plus 3 into 100, 300, 300 into 2 is 600 into 100 plus 2. Again you can open this bracket. This would be plus 8 plus 600 into 100 4 zeros plus 1200. When you add this, so you'll be getting 1061208. That is evaluating using the given identity of cubes. Now, like for squares identity, what we have used, here also we can factorize. You are given an expression like this, you are asked to factorize this using the identity of cubes what we have learned. Now, like the squares identity what we have used, or for factorizing the expression where squares are coming, here you will look into the first two terms. See whether they are perfect cubes or whether they can be written as perfect cubes. 8a cube. Can it be written? Yes, it can be written as 2a the whole cube. 2a the whole cube will be 8a cube. B cube. 1b the whole cube is b cube. So, if the first two terms can be written as perfect cubes, then this would almost correspond to which identity? X plus y the whole cube. And you should be seeing these signs also. That is very important. If only the first term is positive, the remaining are negative, means which identity it will correspond to? It will correspond to the second one. X minus y the whole cube. So here you can rewrite this as 2a the whole cube plus b the whole cube plus 3 into 2a into b into 2a plus b. Now, because this will, when you are opening, you will be getting like this. So, this will correspond to which one? X plus y the whole cube, wherever x is 2a and y is b. So, this can be written as 2a plus b the whole cube. Is this a factorized form? No. Again, you will have to write it as cube means what? Multiplying the same number 3 times. So, 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. This is the factorized form of or factorization of this given polynomial. So, have you understood? Here what you will look into? The first two terms. See whether it can be written as a perfect cube. If it can be written as a perfect cube, then the remaining we can make it out. So, 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b is the factorized form of this given polynomial. Now, from these two identities, we can form two more identities. Okay. Now, the identity is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is one identity what we can get from this identity, x plus y the whole cube. From this identity you can get yet another one identity. Now, how we are going to get this identity? Let us try to come out to this identity from this identity. So, what is that identity? X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. This is the identity for cube. Now, what is our identity here? X cube plus y cube. So, you have to get that. Now, here we have got an x cube plus y cube. So, what you are going to do? You are going to separate this and bring all the other terms to this side. So, what will happen to the left hand side or right hand side becomes x cube plus y cube. The remaining all will come to the left hand side. So, you can rewrite this as x plus y the whole cube. You are bringing these terms to the left hand side. When you bring, so what happens? The positive sign becomes negative. So, minus 3xy into x plus y. See, you may wonder why this sign is not changing. Why? Because this is product. Same single term only. So, only this sign would change when you take it to the other side. Minus 3xy into x plus y will be equal to x cube plus y cube. That is, we are separating this x cube plus y cube. Why? Because we have to arrive at this result. Now look at the left hand side. You have got something common here. Which is common here? X plus y is common. So can we take it out? So you are going to take it out. X plus y into, what remains here when you take one x plus y out? It will be x plus y the whole square. So it is x plus y the whole square minus, you have taken this x plus y out. It's common. So what remains here? 3xy. This will be equal to x cube plus y cube, right hand side. Now, this is of which form? X plus y the whole square. It is identity 1. So, expand that. X plus y the whole square will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. So, let us rewrite that. This would be x plus y into x plus y the whole square. I am going to expand it. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Now remaining, it is here, minus 3xy equal to x cube plus y cube. Now look at this. Plus 2xy minus 3xy. They are like terms. So what you will do? You can subtract or add the coefficient. So plus 2 minus 3. How much is that? Minus 1. So this will reduce to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy equal to x cube plus y cube. So this is the identity what we have learned. I have written it to the right hand side, that's the only difference. So x cube plus y cube will be equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This x minus xy I have written last. That's the only difference. So understood how to get this identity from the cube identity. So what actually we have done? We have actually expanded this x plus y the whole cube. X plus y the whole cube. Then what we have done? We are separating this x cube plus y cube. Bring this whole term towards the left. It becomes negative. Then we will see something is common. X plus y is common. Take the common out. Write the remaining. Remaining, when you take this will be of which form? X plus y the whole square. Expand it. Add or subtract whatever is there. You will be getting it as x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy equal to x cube plus y cube. In the same way, you can get for x cube minus y cube also. Now, x cube minus y cube. This will be equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So see the difference here. When it was x cube plus y cube, this was plus and this was minus. So here when it is negative, this is negative and this has become positive. So now how to do this? Which identity you will use here? You will use the second one. So here you write that you got the identity already here. So I'm just going to rewrite this only. So here what you will do? You have to separate this x cube minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube will be equal to, what is here? X minus y the whole cube. This minus 3xy, when it comes to the other side it becomes plus. So plus 3xy into x minus y. Now this will be equal to what? You are having x minus y as common. So you take that x minus y out. What remains here? X minus y the whole square plus what is here? 3xy. Now this will be equal to x minus y into, this is of which form? X minus y the whole square, expand that, it will be x square minus 2xy plus y square. So x square minus 2xy plus y square. What remains? Plus 3xy. Now look at this. Minus 2xy plus 3xy. Minus 2 plus 3. How much is that? 1. So this will reduce as x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. this is equal to x cube minus y cube. So we have arrived at this identity. So 4 identities we have learned. Let us recollect that once again. X plus y the whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X minus y the whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. X cube plus y cube it will be equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube will be equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now one more application of this identity. The last 2 identities, we will take one example. Now suppose you have a question here. You have to find what is 27x cube minus 64y cube. Now here what you will do first? This can be written as which form? As perfect cube. So you will be given questions which can be written as perfect cubes only. So this will be written as 27 can be written as 3 cube and x cube x. So it will be 3x the whole cube minus 64 is 4. So 4y the whole cube. 3x the whole cube minus 4y the whole cube. Now this is of which form? X cube minus y cube, where our x is 3x and y is 4y. See, when you look this is only x cube. Here only x has got a cube, only y. But will that fit into our identity what we have to use? No. So for that only we have converted it like this. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So you will write this as 3x the whole cube minus 4y the whole cube. So our x here is 3x and y is 4y. Now what is identity? X cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube is equal to what? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now substitute for x and y here. This will be equal to, what is our x? 3x. What is our y? Minus 4y into x square. X is 3x. So 3x the whole square plus xy. X into y. X is 3x. Y is 4y plus y square. Y is 4y the whole square. Again let us expand this. This will be 3x minus 4y into 3x the whole square will be 9 square plus 3x into 4y. 3 into 4, 12 into x into y, that is 12xy plus 4y the whole square. 4y the whole square will be 16y square. So this is the evaluation of 27x cube minus 64y cube. Have you understood? Suppose it was 27x cube plus 64y cube. It will be changing it as 3x the whole cube plus 4y the whole cube. Then the formula will, sorry, the identity will change. It will be x cube plus y cube will be equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here everywhere the sign will change. That's the only difference. So have you understood how to do? Learn these identities, because these identities are new for you. These 4 identities, learn it thoroughly. Okay? Thank you, children.